What's up, everybody? Coach Justin here over in Los Angeles, California. Thank you for checking us out at getfitwithlivestrong.com. And today I have a 15-minute shadowboxing workout for beginners. Now, if you don't know what shadowboxing is, essentially we're going to be practicing our punches, but we're not going to be hitting anything. It's shadowboxing. So no equipment is needed. We're going to develop some great cardio and some great technique in the next 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this thing going. Now, the first thing that I have to teach you is, number one, your stance. We're gonna go through our 6 basic punches, and we're gonna go through 2 defensive maneuvers that we may use in class today. So now, here's how I teach everybody. I teach you the way that I was taught. Chest facing forward, feet just past shoulder width apart. Now, if you're right-handed, take that right foot, drop it straight back. If you're a lefty, left foot goes back. You wanna turn your toes about 45 degrees, and really what you're looking for is your lead toe to line up roughly with your back heel. Elbows placed against your ribs to protect your body. Rear hand up by your cheek, almost like you're holding a telephone. Lead hand out in front, almost like you're holding a microphone. Make sure your lead shoulder is facing your target. Eyes are always facing your target. Now, we use a number system, punches 1 through 6. All of your odd number punches, 1s, 3s, and 5s, will be on the lead hand. So, what does that mean? 1s and 2s, they're long and strong. Again, starting with your lead hand. Straight punches, really snapping your thumbs down at the end of the punch, chin down, eyes up. Those are your 1s and 2s. 3s and 4s, those are your hooks. Again, starting with your lead hand. 3s, 4s, elbows follow the hand right to the target. You wanna make sure you're dropping some weight back, really rotating those shoulders as you go through the 3s and the 4s. Last punches are your 5s and your 6s. Those are your uppercuts. Again, starting with your lead hand, your 5, your 6 on the backhand. Make sure you bring your hands right back home. Anytime I say bring those hands home, that stance is what I mean. All right, you guys ready to get this thing going? Let's get started. Once this beat drops in, we'll go ahead and start bouncing it out to the beat. Everything we're gonna do today will be to the beat of the music, so let's have some fun with that. Good. Nice and easy. First thing I want you to do is just to start to find this beat. Just find the rhythm. And I want you to start to just focus on your breathing. We really want to open these lungs up. Start to get loose in the shoulders. Beautiful. Let's get into our punches. 1s and 2s, 1s and 2s. Good, long and strong. Remember, we're snapping those thumbs down. If you notice, I'm moving my feet. I'm really shifting my weight from right to left, using the whole body to generate power for the punches. Beautiful work. Nice. Keep it long, keep it strong. If you can, move your feet a little bit more. We're just getting loose here. Very nice. Let's go into some jump rope. To the beat, to the beat. Just bounce. Good. Right here, make it your own. I always say, I don't care if you're on one leg or the other. Just have some fun with it. Good, let's fight or bounce. Just in and out. With your hands up, with your chin down, and your eyes up. Protecting yourself at all times. Beautiful work. Let's go to those 3s and 4s, the hooks. Again, elbows. Really follow your hands to your target. And one thing I see a lot of people do is just throw the arms. I want to see that whole body moving. Shifting that weight from right to left. Beautiful, nice and easy here. Let's go back to the jump rope. Just bounce it out, bounce it out. Hey, good, how are you feeling? Are you still with me here? Do you follow these? I know you do. Good. We're gonna go big squats. Let's fire those muscles up. Down and up, let's go. Down, down. Good, beautiful work. Nice deep breathing. All the way up, squeeze those glutes at the top. Good. Back to jump rope, let's go. Hey. Side to side if you want to. You can go forward and back if you want to. I just want you to get out of your head, get into your body. Good, uppercut. Let's go. Nice and loose. Nice and loose. Again, we don't have to think about it, just be about it today, that's all. We're gonna go back to those big squats. Down and up, let's go. Down, up, down, up. Nice deep breathing on the way down. Inhale, exhale. Good, we just want to fire off at the foundation of the body, that's all. Good, keep going, let's go, a few more. Couple more. Almost there. Jump rope, let's go, just bounce. Just bounce. How you feeling? We're almost there. I want you to tell yourself you're going from bell to bell every single round today. Good, any punch, right to the beat. Right to the beat. Again, if you can move your feet, move your feet. Again, this is just letting your body, appreciating what your body can do for you today. Keep going, keep going. Hey, make those punches a little bit sharper. And right now, don't worry if you mess up on the punches, because we're gonna dive in a little bit more in the next round. Just bouncing it out, just bounce. Just bounce. Remember that fighter's bounce, you can fighter bounce. You can just go side to side. Most importantly, I just want you on your toes. Good, just breathe. Just breathe. How are you guys doing? Let's dive into these punches a little bit more now. Let's develop a little bit more technique with these. So we're gonna start with that jab by itself in this next round. Now just remember, I need that chin down. I need those hands up. Every time you land that jab, nice and long with it, really lock out that elbow, rotate that shoulder over, nice sharp breath as you land. Let's find this beat. Good, on the drop, jab, jab. Good, you feeling it yet? Just touching on that beat. Ha. Nice and sharp, bang. Ha. Now maybe you've done a little bit of boxing before, and so you know your jab. You can elevate that by working to the head or to the body. Either one is okay. Ha. Good, and as you go, start to get a little bit sharper. Focus a little bit more on the skill of it. Good, ones and twos, double time. Ha. Long and strong. If you feel like you have the punches down, move your feet a little bit more. Really own the space that you're in right now. Yes. Yes, build your confidence in your technique, that's all. We're almost there. 4, 3, 2, give me the 2, just the 2, big cross. Cross. Yes, and we call it the cross because it comes across our body from the back to the front, rotating our shoulders. Nice sharp breath as you land to the target. Bang. Ha. You can step into it. Ha. The more rotation, the more power. Good, 2, 3, move. That's your cross hook. Cross hook. Cross hook. Ha, ha. Not just your arms, your body. Bang, bang, bang. Ha, ha. Give me the 3, just the 3. Lead hook. Lead hook, yes. Ha, on the hook. Rotate off your front foot. Ha. Drop your weight to your back foot. Make sure your other hand is up. Ha. You want to protect yourself at all times. Ha. Most important, be loose in your shoulder. Use your body to swing your arm across. 3, 4, move, 3, 4, move. Hook, 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 hook. Bang, bang. Beautiful work. Elbows follow the hands right to the target, right? Ha, ha. Give me the 4, just the 4, rear hook. Bang, bang. Now this should be the strongest punch in your arsenal right here. If you really rotate through it, you let your body generate the power, you're gonna have one mean punch. Ha, ha, sharper the breathing, ha, sharper the punching, ha, ha. Now we're changing it up. 4, 5, hook body, hook body, hook body. Let that 4 lead you to the 5. Let the 5 bring you back to your center. Ha, 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 ha. Keep going, bang, bang. Ha, ha. Very nice. How are you feeling? You're getting it, aren't you? Let's go. Give me the 5, just the 5. Lead uppercut. Bang, bang. Popping it off the body. Bang, it's not a scoop, but a pop. Good, 5, 6 move, here we go. Cut, cut, body, body, or chin, chin. Either one is okay. Ha, Good. Give me your 6, just your 6. Rear uppercut. Bang. Bang. Ha. Just like rolling that bowling ball down the lane. Ha. Ha. Uppercuts, tap it out, tap it out. Hey. How you guys doing? Great job. Can we try a combo now? So we have 1, 2, 5, 6. Very simple. Long and strong on the straights. 1, 2, starting with your lead hand. 5 and 6. That's 2 to the body, right? We move, we breathe. Let's start with the jab though. Let's find our beat, and then I'll guide you guys in through the rest. Let's listen for it. Almost there. Jab and move, jab and move. Ha. Ha. Back. Pushing through the back foot. Step into the front foot. Let's try our combo. 1, 2, 5, 6. We move, we breathe. Jab, cross, body, body. Beautiful. One of my favorite combos right here. Right? We work the head, go to the body. Beautiful work. And listen, don't be afraid to fail today. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. More important, you should be having fun in this 15 minutes. That is the key to it all. Good. 1, 2 step, jab, cross, step. Let's go. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Couple more, let's go. Jab, cross, now. 5, 6 step, body, body step. Let's go. Bang, bang. Ha, ha. Remember, as the punch lands, your breath lands. The beat lands. Good. Uppercuts, tap it out. Just breathe. How you feel about that? You feel good? Can we do it again? Good. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Give me the jab, just that jab. Stick and move. Let's go. Bang. Bang. Ha. Notice as I throw my jab, I kind of raise that other hand. I want to protect my face. 1, 2, 5, 6. We move, we breathe. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, we're in the zone now. We're in the zone now. Let's go. 1, 2, 5, 6. Let it flow. Just vibe with me. Let's go. Ha, 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 ha. Make every punch count. Make every moment count. Ha, ha. Good. We're going 1, 2 step. Jab, cross step. Let's go. Jab, cross. As I throw that 2, I rotate my back foot. Ha, ha. That's how you generate the power. Right? Using your body for the power. 5, 6 move. Cut, cut, move. Let's go. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Everything a little bit sharper. Everything a little bit harder as you evolve through this 15 minutes. Good. Uppercuts. Tap it out. Just breathe. Felt good, didn't it? Good. Focus on your breathing right now. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. There's air coming all through the windows and stuff. It's okay. Just grab some. It's okay. Hey, if you can, move your feet a little bit. We're going to go all the way through the bell. We're gonna go all the way through the bell, but we're gonna try something a little bit different. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Ha, ha. Just back to back. Good, nice easy combo. But easy can be effective. Simple can be effective. Almost there. Hey, beautiful work. Now listen, we have to get a burnout round. I like to call these fighters rounds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that combo that we just had and we're gonna break it down into 2 pieces. Either a 1, 2 explosion, bang, bang, or a 5, 6 explosion, bang, bang. And then we'll break this up with some squats just to make sure we're working our basics. But for now, let's find the beat. Let's just tap. Once we find the beat, we'll get into our explosions. Good, this is our last round here. What I like to call the championship round. Good, just find that tap. Find the beat. More important, I want you to remember why you showed up. What is your why today? Good. 1, 2, explode. Bang, bang, then move. Hey, hey. Good. Ha, ha. Make sure you move. Bang, bang. Good. Pop, pop. Everything sharp. Ha, ha. Good. Bang, bang. Move. Ha, ha. Make it 5, 6. Explode. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Moving. Ha, ha. Never staying still. Make sure you're a moving target. Ha, ha. Good. Down to squats, pulse it out, let's go. Down. Nice and easy here, we're just breaking it up. Resting those shoulders a little bit, focus on your breathing. When we come back up, we're tapping it out. Good, just tap it out, breathe. How you feeling? You should be feeling like a fighter right now. We're gonna go back to those 1-2s, bang, 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 bang. Ha, ha. Keep them long, keep them strong. Hey, hey. Ha, ha. I want you to dial it in here. Ha, ha. Stay in your zone here. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Sharp breathing, sharp punching. Good. 5, 6, explode. Hey, hey. Listen, you're halfway done right here. Ha, ha. The question is, when it gets challenging, are you gonna run from the challenge or run towards the challenge? Good. Down to squats, pulse it out, let's go. Pulse. Nice deep breathing. Stay with me. Stay right here. Don't run from it. Run towards it, let's go. Almost there. Just tap, just tap. Listen, we're about 1/3 of the way done here, 2/3 of the way done maybe. But time doesn't matter, the time shall pass. The question is, will you grow in that time? Will you evolve in that time? 1, 2, explode. Here we go. Bang, bang. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Keep it sharp. Ha, ha. Keep it focused. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Ha, ha. 5, 6, explode. Cut, cut, explode. Hey, hey. Ha, ha. Good, get stronger as the round goes. Remind yourself, we're not just exercising today. We are training today. Ha, ha. Hold the squat, pulse it out. Let's go, pulse. Almost there, almost there. Listen, you're in the home stretch right now. 4, 3, 2, tap it out, bang. Good. How are you doing? Great job today. Listen, way to stick with me. Thank you guys for joining me once again. My name is Coach Justin, and thank you for checking us out at getfitwithlivestrong.com. Make sure you're subscribing down below if you want to see more content like this. And if you need to find me, you can check me out on Instagram at Justin_Goldmines. Can't wait to see you guys again.